How to fix Lyft app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Lyft and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Then, from here, find the app Lyft. Open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation passes, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on Delete app. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete this app from your device, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Lyft and download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Lyft app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.